Hey there, welcome back to the Python Praxis, your friendly guide to mastering Python. Today we're diving into Lesson 3, Variables and Data Types, Part 2. We're going to continue exploring variables, focusing on strings, booleans, and type conversions. If you've ever wondered how Python handles text, logic, or how to safely mix data types, this is your place. Grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get started. First up today, we're talking about strings. But wait, what exactly is a string? Think of it as any text you might read or write, a word, a sentence, even a single character. Python is friendly with text. It lets you define strings easily by enclosing them inside quotes. You can use either single quotes or double quotes to define strings. Yes, Python is flexible. Both methods work exactly the same, so pick whichever you prefer. For example, both of these messages say the same welcoming phrase. Message 1 is welcome to Python with double quotes, and message 2 is welcome to Python with single quotes. Easy, right? But what if your string needs quotation marks itself? No worries, just mix your quotes smartly. Here's an example. Notice how we can smoothly include quotes without breaking anything. Quote 1 equals, she said, I love programming and smiled, and quote 2 equals, it's called a smartphone because of what it does. Clever, isn't it? No headaches at all. Python also lets us combine or concatenate strings using a simple plus operator. For instance, you can build words piece by piece, language equals Python plus rocks, or create full names from first and last names. First name equals Mary, last name equals Thompson, and full name equals first name plus last name. In my favorite example, a personalized greeting, name equals Jordan, greeting equals hello, plus name. The result? Python warmly says, hello Jordan. Let's practice. Imagine you're telling a story about a creative robot. Create 3 variables, a subject, a verb, and an object, and join them to form a complete sentence. Here's how. Subject equals the robot. Verb equals painted, object equals a mural. Full sentence equals subject plus verb plus object. The result, the robot painted a mural. Simple, neat, and creative. Now let's switch gears a bit. Time for a logic check. It's Boolean time. A Boolean is basically a switch. It's either true or false. Remember, Python is picky about capitalization here, so always capitalize the T in true and the F in false. Booleans help Python make decisions and control logic flow, like checking if you're logged in or if conditions are met. Here's a quick demonstration of assigning and printing Booleans. Is sunny equals true. Print, is it sunny today? And prints true. And similarly for the rainy scenario, is raining equals false. Print, is it raining? And prints false. See how clear and straightforward this is? Booleans simplify logic beautifully. Booleans often come from comparisons like greater than or less than. For example, has discount is 40 greater than 30, print discount available and prints true. And another example, checking age, is underage is 17 less than 13, print is user underage and prints false. Clearly, discounts exist, but no, our 17-year-old isn't underage. Python quickly gives us these answers. No fuss, just clarity. Finally, let's talk about mixing data types. Sometimes Python handles mixed types smoothly, but other times it complains with an error. Look at these examples. Count equals 4, which is an integer. Price equals 3.25, which is a float. Total cost equals count plus price. This works perfectly. But look here. Greeting equals total items, quantity equals 5. Print greeting plus quantity. Ouch. Python crashes because it can't combine strings and integers directly. No worries though, we've got this. Python gives us handy functions to switch data types around smoothly. For example, int 4.99 becomes 4, float 3 becomes 3.0, star 42 gives us 42 as text, bool 0 translates into false. So let's fix our broken example from before. Print greeting plus struct quantity. Now Python is happy again. You told it exactly what to do. Nicely done. Here are 2 type conversion examples and a smart message builder example, combining text and numbers smoothly. Let's start with the type conversions. Length equals 5.78, print rounded length, int length, and prints 5. As text equals star length, print as text, and prints 5.78 inside quotes as a text. Now let's see the smart message builder example. Username equals Lena. Age equals 22. Message equals username pluses plus Esther age plus years old. Now the message reads beautifully as Lena is 22 years old. No errors, just clarity. Let's wrap this up with a quick mission. Try mixing basic types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Check. Does Python run it or break? What's the result? Why might it break? For example, combining apples 3 and price 1.99 works, but combining age 25 and label years old needs a conversion. Combining points 10 and bonus equals true, which is an integer, and a boolean works also because true is 1. But combining weight 2.5 and unit kilos gives a type error and needs conversion. By adding the ester function to weight, we fix it. Similarly, when combining rate 4.5 and extra equals false, which is a float and a boolean, it works because false is 0. Finally, when combining a boolean with a string, we get a type error again. Combining is ready, which is true, and status, which is ready, that is a text, it does not work. It gives a type error. To fix it, we must add the function s* to variable is ready. This practice sharpens your Python intuition. That's all for now, friends. I hope today's journey through strings, booleans, and type conversions has left you confident and curious to experiment more. In the next lesson, we'll keep exploring Python's magic. Until then, keep coding, keep smiling, and I'll see you soon at the Python Praxis.